What's going on, y'all? We got Alan. Alan, what are you doing? It's been a little while.
My titty's full.
What's up, y'all? So it's been a little while since I've done a YouTube video. Got Alan with me today. Alan, say hi.
Hiya.
And today we're doing some headlight restoration. So we did it on my Subaru.
Daddy, let me open this.
They were super foggy before, and now they look really clear compared to the Miata headlights. See how yellow they are? Alan, are those headlights yellow? So, we're testing out this kit. This is the kit we're using. Not sponsored. And we're gonna see how it works. The headlight expert, Alan, what are you doing?
Wiping the light.
Wiping the light? Trying to make it look all foggy? Yep, now wipe it off. All right, y'all, did one headlight on the Miata. And I'll show you what it looks like, and then I'll show you all the process on the last one. I like the way it came out. This is the new one cleaned. And then this is what the other one looks like. Ooh. See the fogginess compared from that to this one. Alan. So I'll show you all the process. So we're gonna use this right here on the headlight, and then we're gonna use this little tool right here that came with it, and we're gonna rub it into it. You can do as many times as you want till you think all the yellow's gone out of the headlight. We're doing one compound, and we're about to do another. Do this quick. So normally we put it on the sponge, but I'm gonna show y'all real quick. So put a little bit of compound on there. Have it on. Take it, rub it into it. This is gonna help take a lot of that yellow. Now it's gonna make it look foggy, but it's gonna help take a lot of that yellow out of these headlights.
Daddy, can you make cookies? Daddy, can you make cookies?
Yeah, that's fine.
Oh, yesterday.
And you let that dry for a little bit.
Hello.
After it dries, take this, wipe it off. And then basically you're just gonna keep repeating the process until you feel that all of the yellow is out of the headlight. I'm gonna keep going just to make sure I get it all out. And I'll show you what the next step is shortly, right here in a second. That's what it looks like. This was supposed to look like after spray. So then we're gonna put this stuff on right here. It's gonna go as a 50/50 overlay headlight coating kit. And I'll show you what it looks like once it's done. What it looks like after the fog and everything is done. I really like the way it came out. Both headlights done. This is more of a short video on just stuff I'm doing on my cars. But if you want to see more fun things, or check out more of our videos on stuff going on in the Miata, the Subaru, and some of our other projects we're working on, see you on the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video to see more. Peace out, y'all.